Hi, I'm Iggy, and today I'm going to show you the hexagonal mesh fabric. This is our new cut. I made it myself. I hope it looks beautiful. Okay, right here I'm going to show you the colors. There are a lot of colors, and this is how the hexagonal mesh look like. So you look here, this is how the hexagonal mesh look like. And as I said, a lot of colors. And here are our color cards. So many of them. You can check and look at. Are you ready for it? Just make an order and we're here to serve you the best. Thank you. Hi.
Hi, Edie. Nice to
Yes.
meet you.
Nice to meet you.
I'm very interested in your Tulle Fabric. But,
Oh, you mean this hexagonal mesh?
oh yes.
Oh, very good. We have a lot of colors. You can see for yourself.
Can you tell me how many colors I choose?
A lot. I cannot really tell you what color to choose, but I can show you our color card. Here, just have a look.
So, this color is really good.
They are really good, and we have a lot of cards.
Lots of color.
Very colorful. Any color you want, you can pick up. And we can also send to you this color card wherever you are.
You can send me free.
Free. You just give us your address. Free, nothing. We just post to you wherever you are. So if you need any of these colors, just let us know and contact us now. Thank you very much.